Hello guys, my name's Savon. Here back again with another video. Well, really not another video, but same topic, different stuff here in Kajiza tables. This will be my homework version. The last video was my activity project, but will be my individual homework. It will be the same concept as what we talked about before about contingency tables. But this time we're going to be doing we're going to be replacing one variable from the real estate data table. So other than that, let's go ahead and get started. So as I said in the last video, contingency table, it's basically used to clarify and observe different observations with two different variables. Like we did in the last video, we had the bats and pools. Remember how we classified how many 3 bedrooms had a pool and how many 3 bedrooms did not have a pool. So that's the same thing we're going to be doing. We're still going to be focusing with the bats, but we're going to be changing one variable, and I'm going to show you here in the next slide here. So for this real estate data example for the contingency tables, we're going to look at, instead of the pools like we did last time, we're going to be now focusing on the garages. We're going to be doing the same concept with the number of beds, but this time we're going to be focusing on the number of garages based on the bathroom. So as we did before with the pools, we're going to have the bats on top and on the side of the garage. Excuse me there. With garages on the left hand side there. Once again, we're going to be figuring out based on the bats. Many of these bats have a garage, and how many bats do have a garage. So for this one, as you can see, we started with our 3 bedrooms just for an example. We see that of the 3 bedroom houses, there were 9 in total. We see that 5 of them don't have a garage. And I'm sorry, I was supposed to change that to garage. It says pools, but just notice that it says garages instead. Sorry, I forgot to change that. So 5 of them don't have a garage, and only 4 of them have a garage. So total that 9. The easier way to do that is that I only counted how many houses had a garage, and then I just subtracted the difference from the last video to figure out how many houses do have a garage. So as you can see, we completed the table here. And the ones with 2 baths are the ones that in this data are really looking for. So as you can see, for the 2 bathroom accommodation, 20 of them don't have a garage. Majority of them have a garage, and having a garage basically is important if you want to protect your car from like thieves and all that sort of nature, like Mother Nature. So really people that have the 2 bedroom accommodation really prefer to have a garage. Really interesting there. So we're going to have to find a contingency, just like we did in the last video. So again, for the 2 bedroom accommodation, despite whether or not the houses come with a garage, we find that majority, 69% of houses prefer the garage, while the 31% of the 2 bathroom accommodation really didn't prefer the garage or didn't come with one. So that's relatively the percentage of the people that don't and do have a garage for the 2 bedroom accommodation. So here's the final product that we have. We see over to the right hand side in the total number of houses that majority of the data for all the bedrooms, majority of them really preferred or had a garage attached to the house, which involved the 68% majority, while the other 32% rather didn't have or didn't prefer a garage to go with their accommodation. But relatively speaking, the ones with the 2 bedroom accommodation, the greatest preferred a garage with 69 percentile for that the 2 bedroom accommodation. So as I said before, guys, this the contingency table lesson is pretty easy, pretty simple to grasp, and very beneficial when comparing between two variables in any situation such as this. Uh, that'll be it for this edition. This is again my homework edition. The last video I did was activity 4. So yeah, guys, thanks for joining in, and the guy, I'll see you next time. All right.